You may know MAKS for TIPMs, but we also have another website, ECMRebuilders.com, where we carry thousands of other modules, including ECMs, PCMs, TCMs, BCMs, and many more. That list also now contains our first IDMs and FICMs, also known as injector driver modules and fuel injector control modules. Like all our rebuilt modules, these parts go through a rigorous process here in our US facilities to make sure they meet or exceed our own in-house demanding standards. Every single one is disassembled and function tested to make sure we identify any issues they may have. We then test the injector outputs for proper operation under load and in cold weather situations. Anything that isn't working or failure prone is replaced with brand new components 100% of the time. We now have IDMs and FICMs for select years of Ford F-Series and E-Series, but we have many more to come. To learn even more about these new modules, visit us at ECMRebuilders.com. And as always, thanks for choosing MAKS.